If you're a local SEO freelancer or an agency, you should know that finding clients is not an easy task online. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to find clients online using a simple tool called Localo. If you give me just 2 seconds of your time, I will review how you can use this exact tool to find at least 3 clients a day for your local SEO service. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, I am Faith. I'm a digital marketer and a web designer. And on this channel, I teach complete beginners e-commerce, web design, and digital marketing. If these are things you love, please hit the subscribe button and let's get right into it. So to find local SEO clients online in 2026, we're going to use a simple tool I've been using to do this. That tool is called Localo. Localo is a local SEO tool for faster local search optimization. So if you want to rank on Google Maps, if you want to rank your client's Google business profile on local maps, this is one of the best tools you can actually use. It also helps you automate a lot of things. It has an AI agent you can use. It can help you manage multiple clients in one dashboard. Even multi-locations, you can do them here. But the feature we want to look at is the one that enables us find clients. So I'm going to log into my account right away. This is my account and it's very, very easy to sign up. I'm going to leave the link to Localo in the description of my video. If you click on it, you're going to get a massive discount to start with, and it's quite affordable. With $35 per month, you can do a whole lot for your business. Going to go straight to the point. If you sign up, you log in, and then you can come to this feature here, click on Pro Features. If you look at the left hand side, you can see client acquisition here. This is where everything happens, where you find clients whose business profiles have issues, and this tool will help you sort them out without doing a guesswork, without doing a manual work. Normally you would come to Google and start searching for businesses that have issues, open them one after the other, you audit them one after the other, but that's the work, the heavy lifting Localo is doing. Localo is a simple tool or simple Google business profile management tool you can use to manage all your clients in one place. It can help you manage reviews, reply, write Google business profile posts, schedule the posts so that you can maintain consistency. You can also report a business profile for a client and use it to pitch the client. You can also check your rankings in the Google Maps. This is one of my prospecting I've done with this tool. So I'm going to show you simply how this tool helps me find clients without me going through the rigorous exercise of vetting business profiles that are not performing well here. You understand? Normally I will come here and start vetting the ones that are not performing well, the ones that are hidden and all of that. No, that guesswork and that manual work is being done or being handled automatically by Localo. So what Localo does is I will just provide information as we search Google business profiles to scrape them, find the ones that are not performing well so that I can go straight to pitching them. We're going to come to your account here. Let me go back to my profile so that you can see how this is done. This is my account here. As soon as you sign up and log in, this is where you're going to land. So if you want to find that tool, you're going to click on Pro Features. As soon as you click on it, you click on Client Acquisition. As soon as you land here, you're going to click on Discover Potential Clients or Customers. So you're going to enter keyword here. What is the industry you are targeting? I can say roofers. So I want to find roofers. In which city? I'm going to mention Texas. So I want to find roofers in Texas. Let's say I click on Discover Potential Customers. As you can see, it has done justice to this. It has given me how many clients? As you can see, 118 potential leads. Wow, this is amazing. So this is something every freelancer and every agency owner should consider getting. These are profiles that I can actually work with. This one has star rating of 5. It has this number of review. These are websites to all of this. This one does not have a website. It does not have a review. This is also a potential business you can decide to offer review to build their website, a lot of things. So let's say this number one here, if you the status here, you can make it, let's say you are prospecting, and then you can add this to your to-do list. It has been added to your to-do list. Then let's say you have contacted them, you can also add them to contacted. If you have converted them, if they ignored you after sending them a pitch deck, you can click on ignore. This to helps you manage everything in one place. If you click here, you are going to view their ranking in local maps, and then if you click here, you can create a grid. Then if you click here, you can actually see their business directly on Google, so that you will know that this particular tool is aggregating the right information for you. I'm going to go back there, and then I'm going to click on view now. Let's see what this business is not doing right and what needs to be done. As you can see, their business visibility is low, very low. They are not ranking in areas their potential customers are searching, and these are their competitors. This is their competitor. This is ranking number 1, this is ranking number 2, this is ranking number 3, and they are ranking on 84. Can you see why this is a potential client for you? So what should you do? You should actually screenshot all of this, screenshot this particular interface, and use it to pitch them. Tell them that you found their business on Google and they are ranking 84, while their competitors, their top 3 competitors, are already getting a lot of customers, but they are not getting enough, just because they are ranking 84. And you would help them rank better. As you can see, these are the places they are not ranking well. If they are ranking well, look at where they are ranking well here. This one is showing they are ranking number 2 here. As you can see, they are ranking 20. So the areas they are not ranking well, you can help them optimize and rank better. So this is why I consider this tool the best client acquisition tool you can use. What you need to do now is make sure you go to the description of this video, sign up, and start using this tool. But don't trust me yet. What you have to do is just to actually try it for 14 days. If you don't want it, you opt out. See you in my next video.